What's going on, everyone? This is Vince from Life with Vince Luu. Happy Sunday, happy Mother's Day. I just got back from my 1 mile run and honestly, I felt pretty good. The muscle soreness has pretty much went away from 2 days ago when I did the burn 10,000 calories in a day challenge. Yesterday was a little bit rough and I thought today was going to be even worse, but all the muscle soreness has pretty much disappeared. It's a little bit. The only thing that's really stiff are my knees, more mainly around my kneecaps. Though I was able to deadlift today and I did 275 5x5. It felt pretty easy. It felt like it went up pretty fast. And yeah, I just feel good overall. And I'm super excited to get back on it. I'm super excited to start putting in work again. I did take pretty much a full day off yesterday. The only thing I did was run a mile just to keep my run streak going. And then I did body weight squats just to keep my squat every day May streak going as well. And I ate like crap yesterday. I ate like 3 of those Klondike Oreos. I ate a bunch of candy and we ordered in. And I like to get back on the horse pretty quickly, and I know I should probably take a couple more days of rest, but honestly, I know my body pretty well. I woke up today and I just felt refreshed. I felt ready to go and my mind was clear and my body was ready to go. So I'm excited to continue these challenges. I'm excited to do this challenge again and actually finish the 10K calories and have a watch that will actually track my calories. And I'm just excited overall for life, to continue building my life resume. Right now, I'm super focused on that, building my life resume, doing cool stuff, doing cool challenges, and putting in the work day in and day out. And that's what I hope to accomplish with this channel. And it's just documenting versus not creating, because everything that I'm showing you all is everything that I would be doing if the camera wasn't there. So I hope y'all can take something away from it. I've gotten super good feedback. I think this channel has geared towards the motivational side of things, which is a little bit crazy to me because it's just things that I'm already doing. And to be honest, I get motivation from you all, from your comments and from your feedback, and just seeing other people on that same journey, seeing other people putting out content on YouTube, the small YouTubers, seeing people putting in the work on their weight loss journey, or just seeing people put in work altogether. It's just super motivating for me. So thanks for watching. Hope y'all enjoyed that video. Thank you to everyone that have supported me so far. Thank you to everyone for the likes, the comments, and just reaching out and showing support and love. If you haven't already gave this video a thumbs up, please do so. It'd really help me out. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. See you all tomorrow.